Today we are going to learn about inflammation. Inflammation refers to defense mechanism of body or localized protective reaction of a tissue. Inflammation एक body की protective reaction है against harmful stimuli which damage our cells. Now we will check out the definition of inflammation. A localized physical condition in which the part of body become red, swell, hot and painful, especially as a reaction to injury or infection. जैसे हमने देखा कि इन्फ्लामेशन बॉडी की प्रोटेक्टिव रिएक्शन है, तो जब ये रिएक्शन होती है तो इंजरी वाला पार्ट रेड, स्वेल और वार्म होने लगता है. हम इसे इन्फ्लामेशन के साइन एंड सिम्टम्स भी कह सकते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इन्फ्लामेशन. द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इन्फ्लामेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन ड्यूरेशन. First, acute inflammation. Second, subacute inflammation. Third, chronic inflammation. Acute inflammation is rapid response to injurious agent that serves to deliver mediators of the host defense leukocytes and plasma protein to the site of injury. तो बेसिकली एक्यूट इन्फ्लामेशन रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन की तरह वर्क करता है. Subacute inflammation may last for 3 to 4 days to 1 month and correspond to cleaning phase required before rapid phase. If acute phase inflammation is not resolved within 1 month, then inflammation tend to become chronic and last for several months. Now we will move on next point, that is clinical causes of inflammation. First, mechanical causes. In mechanical causes, there are trauma, accident and injury. Second, internal causes. The lack of oxygen, nutrient or any other genetic disorder. Third, infectious causes. The infectious causes are subdivided into two types, that are non-microbial causes and microbial causes. In non-microbial causes, there are allergen, irritant and toxic component, and in microbial causes there are pathogen and bacteria. Now we will move on to the next point of this topic, that is management. The management of inflammation is divided into 4 points. First, control on edema, that is control on swelling. A localized compression and elevation is used to reduce edema. Second, reduce inflammation. Non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs and steroids are used to control inflammation. Third, monitor systemic response. Fever and lymphocytes are systemic inflammatory responses, so we have to monitor those. 4. Diet management. Vitamin C helps in healing. Carbohydrate provide energy, protein and fluid for the hydration of patient. Let's check out the next point and the last point of this topic, that is pathophysiology. The inflammatory process usually starts with either macrophages or mast cells, both of which are present in our tissue. Mast cells have granules containing different inflammatory mediators like histamine, serotonin and cytokinin. Those inflammatory mediators act on the endothelial cell surround the capillaries nearby, causing them to separate from each other. Release of cytokinin causes capillary to get larger and increase vascular permeability, allowing plasma protein and fluid to leave the circulation. Now next, the lymphocytes follow the gradient of inflammatory mediators to get to the site of inflammation. Neutrophils are the first lymphocyte required during acute inflammatory process, and they intermediately start phagocytosis or eating pathogen in damaged cell. After that, they commit suicide. This activates the adaptive immunity system, which kick out after few days if the stimulus for all those inflammation was cut. In summary of pathophysiology of inflammation process adaptive immunity से start होती है due to macrophages and mast cells जो अपनी बॉडी में ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट होते हैं which get stimulated by acute phase acute phase response provided by anti-inflammatory cytokinin. Then immunity cells requirement increase in our body. Now pro-inflammatory cytokinin increase and lymphocytes are migrate to the site of injury which causes redness, swelling and warmness to the part. In summary of this topic, pain, redness, swelling, heat, that's classic for the inflammation. This end with the tissue repair and we will see that in our next upcoming video. Thank you for listening.